Alright, back at Lake X. This is the chatterbait I made. And all I did is bought some weedless jigs, opened up the eye of the hook, added the blade and the snap lock. Saved me a little bit of money, and that's what my channel is all about. Also gave me some ideas, and you'll see those later. Dang it. Alright, I'm going to switch to a blue and black. Same thing. It's a Arkie jig, literally from the Arkie jig company or Arkie bait company. Got it at Walmart for $1.56. I think the blade cost me about 12 cents, so for under $2, I got my own little chatterbait. And as always, wish me luck. Okay, I don't know if you saw that, but something moved towards it, so we're going to try that again. I might have to just frog it across those lily pads there. Nah, not going for it. Going to try the jig chatterbait again. I've added a ringworm trailer, so let's see if that has any effect. Oh, there we go. Feels like a decent one. Oh! Ho, ho. Son of a gun!
Alright, so there you have it. Didn't catch anything. Had a few misses. But it was kind of cool to be able to make my own chatterbait. It was real simple. You just simply take the eyelet, and I'll be honest with you, if you twist it to the side, I did break a couple. If I had a punch where you can expand the eye from the inside out, that's going to be a lot better way to do it. I think his name is My Guy Skimpy. He makes lures on YouTube. That's how he does his, and that's where I got the idea. But it's neither here nor there now. If you like videos like this, whether I'm catching fish or not, always good to try to show you new ways to make lures and everything. Please hit like, subscribe, the little bell for notifications. I'm really enjoying this 30-30-30 challenge, and I hope you are too. So, in the meantime, tight lines.